Dear Drew, got any other footage of Jesus and his hobbies? Sincerely, Bible Beater and Blythe.
Hi, I'm Drew. Bible Beater and Blythe, ask and you shall receive. Here is yet another installment of Jesus, the Lost Years.
Jesus! Jesus! What on heaven's name are you doing down there?
What, Mom? Leave me alone. I'm just playing with my ants. God!
And what exactly are you doing to your poor ants?
Well, trying to get them all to obey and worship me. Well, the dumb ones get it, but the other ones don't. And they're experiencing the fire and brimstone from my magnifying glass right now.
Oh my God, how arrogant are you? I swear, you are just like your father.
Nailed it!